92 Hotel Foxtrot, start a left turn on course.
Left turn on course for 92 Hotel Foxtrot.
92 Hotel Foxtrot, contact Bradley departure now, 123.905.
123.905. Air Tower, November 85 Romeo Delta.
85 Romeo Delta, Brainard Tower.
And we're 7 miles to southeast at 2000, like to do a low approach. We're experiencing a landing gear issue. We've got the gear down, but we're not getting a 3 green and locked. Wondering if you could have a visual look at it on a flyby.
85 Romeo Delta, if you would enter a right downwind for runway 2, midfield right downwind. I'll land 2 ahead of you, and then we'll have you do your low flyby.
All right, we'll plan a midfield or right downwind for 2, 5 Romeo Delta. We do have Foxtrot.
49 Zulu, exit at Charlie to the T's with me.
49 Zulu, to the T's, thank you, sir.
Five 5299 Delta, runway 2, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 2, clear for takeoff, 99er Delta.
818 Romeo Bravo, runway 2, cleared to land.
Clear land, runway 2, 8 Romeo Bravo.
169, you are number 2, following experimental, heading to your left by about a mile, mile and a half over I-91.
I'm looking, 169.
Hotel Foxtrot, if you're still with me, departure 123.905. At 169, you're number 2, following traffic ahead of you by about a mile and a half. Spacing is good. Number 2, runway 2, clear to land.
169, thank you.
5 Romeo Delta, souls on board, sir.
2 souls, 85 Romeo Delta.
And amount of fuel?
4 hours of fuel, 85 Romeo Delta. Five Romeo Delta, turning right downwind.
85 Romeo Delta, I'd like you to depart to, correction there, 5 Romeo Delta, proceed on the downwind. I'll point out the traffic you're following.
All right, we're entering the downwind, 85 Romeo Delta.
5299 Delta, for now we have traffic that's a priority. I suggest you may want to depart to the east. Give me a call in about 5 minutes to come back in for local traffic.
99 Delta, departing to the east.
85 Romeo Delta, the traffic you're following is directly off to right, 700 on about a mile final.
85 Romeo Delta, we're looking.
818 Romeo Bravo, remain this, actually exit at Charlie, then contact ground.
At Charlie and over to ground, thanks.
5 Romeo Delta, you can start your right base entry.
Turn right base, 85 Romeo Delta.
And Brainard ground, 818 Romeo Bravo is clear at Charlie, heading to the T's.
1 Romeo Bravo, taxi straight ahead across Alpha. You make the right turn on Juliet, you'll have to bring it back around. I'm holding him because I don't want to taxi him with the Navajo here.
And Brainard ground, Cap 607, once again, at the center, taxi to the north ramp.
Cap 607, taxi to the north ramp.
North ramp, Cap 607.
818 Romeo Bravo, did you copy?
No, he got stepped on.
Okay, taxi straight ahead, turn right on Juliet, and you can bring it back around.
All right, straight ahead and then right on Juliet, thanks.
to be active to T hangars.
169, taxi straight ahead to the ramp to the T's.
Thank you, sir.
Brainard ground, Captain 07, that's North Ramp, ready taxi information, Foxtrot, and if we could, on after departure, like vectors for the practice, RNAV runway 2 and 2 Brainard.
Calling Brainard ground, standby.
Standby.
And I'm sorry, 9 Golf Sierra, thank you for your patience. Taxi to runway 2 via taxiway Alpha, cross runway 29.
Was that for Golf Sierra? I'm sorry.
Yep, 389 Golf Sierra, the Navajo declared an emergency. You won't be landing here. You can taxi to runway 2 via Alpha, cross 29, and thanks for your patience.
Roger, Alpha to cross 29, 9 Golf Sierra. Thanks.